called me back again, and she said, I'm afraid John might be dead. He might have gotten hit by a plow. He did not come home last night. I think something happened.
And I said, Carrie, I'm going to kids, just come over here. Let's all hop in one car.
Carrie is telling her to shut up, that we needed to just go back to John's, and we'll drive in one car, and let's go to John's, and maybe he's there, and he's passed out, and you didn't see him.
So we go back to John's. Now this is an hour after I first called Jen McCabe. I called her at 4:53, it's 5:45, and we're back where I just spent